cucumber skin has already dried. Now I'm going ahead to put everything inside my jar. As for me, I'm going to be using coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm going to be using this quantity. I'm going ahead to put it inside my hot water to melt it down. I'm just going to stir it a little bit so that it can melt down very fast. Here is my oil. I'm going to be pouring it inside my jar. Then I'm going to stir it a little bit. And the important thing, you have to let your oil cover everything. Yes, everything have to soak inside the oil. The oil needs to be above the cucumber skin. I'm just going to close it up like this. Here is our oil for now, and in 2 ways. Yes, I'm going to store this very one in a very dry, cool place. I'm going to let it to sit for 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, I will be right back to show you my cucumber oil.